This shout out video goes to Mackenzie Parker.
Mackenzie!
Mac.
Mac.
You're beautiful.
Yeah, you are pretty beautiful. We've known each other for, I don't even know how long. My dad used to coach us or whatever. Good times, good times.
You're really nice, and you're always here whenever I need you.
We used to be connected at the hip when we were little. But, stuff changes, I guess. But we need to hang out.
You're really dependable, and I know I can tell you whatever I need to without you judging me.
I agree.
And you're really strong, and you've been through a lot, and you don't deserve what you've been through. Don't say I agree.
You already knew that I was about to.
Okay, we all need to hang out again. Joe Sully's party, it was fun.
Yeah, you have a butt.
So
use it.
Are you high right now? Okay, well, we love you, Mac.